Hey folks, quite a while I don't post a video. Today we are gonna do, me and my daughter here behind me, we're gonna do a small tour around Murnau and Oberammergau and Unterammergau. Fall colors in full swing already. It's a bit earlier than usual. So short ride from Murnau to Unterammergau, and now we do a quick walk in a gorge that is right here, where once I lost my wallet. Let's hope that I will not lose it this time. Oberammergau, with the two highlights being the reptilarium and the Baroque church.
Non si fa così.
Come si fa? And the number 2 attraction of Oberammergau, the reptilarium. Here is the fantastic Ettal cloister, another wonderful Baroque church. On the way back from Ettal to Murnau for the final stretch of the day along this nice river. Back in the Murnauermoos, very nice easy ride. See you next time.